Network digital transformation is now, and 5G has arrived, which raises the question, what are the implications of this new technology? With 5G networks comes a greater level of granularity than the current LTE or 4G networks, which in turn can tremendously increase the corresponding investment and infrastructure costs. That's why we accepted Claro's latest challenge to find a way to improve the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of both the network rollout and 5G certification. Claro, with Everest, an NTT data company, Microsoft, Nokia, Blue Prism, Brightcoms, Viavi, and Creativity Software present Catalyst, time-crunching 5G RAN rollout with AI. Our goal is to integrate several technologies for greater coverage forecasting 5G network, thus reducing time and investment costs compared to today's process. To succeed, we focused on 3 process essentials. 1. Digitize site survey on-field information acquisition and resource allocation process, dedicated to the automation of data gathering as well as information processing time, communication, and resource allocation between the different areas of the operator and third parties. This comes into play in redesigning the current site survey and additional processes. 2. Real-time site verification. By being able to determine that the installation process has been completed properly at the same moment of the installation. In case of any anomaly, the installation operator will be able to correct it immediately, avoiding any further intervention or unnecessary on-site checks, therefore making the validation process instantaneous. In both cases, combining Brightcom's digital tools with Everest Workflow and Inventory tool, enabled by Azure's AI capacity and Creativity Software, we optimize the back-and-forth emails and endless conferences or calls and site rework. 3. Site Logical Online Certification. This is where the setup of all aspects of the logical network rollout, site configuration, on-air, single site verification, SSV, and initial tuning, as well as the harmony and coherence of the rest of the access network are being checked. This stage is powered by Nokia's EdenNet for new cell automatic detection, configuration, and optimization, combined with Viavi's Geo-Optimize, Nitro Geo, and SSV tools, ensuring site coverage and user plane experience. Today, since this process is entirely manual, it is subject to trial and error and constant reworking. That's why we offer the possibility to automate this process through the integration of digital workforce, robot process automation, based on Blue Prism's digital tools, emulating human intervention and connecting through APIs using real-time analytics methods, machine learning, and APIs developed by Everest over Creativity Software Arc Data and Microsoft Azure to ensure that the new features are configured according to Claro settings and all KPIs are met. We were able to make this ambitious project come to life thanks to Catalyst's collaborative program enabled by TM Forum and its powerful framework and open APIs. Thanks to the Data Model Send Challenge provided by Claro. Information normalized by Creativity Software's Arc Data. Then analyzed and processed with the tools provided by Nokia, NetAct, EdenNet, and Viavi. Geo-Optimize, Nitro Geo, and SSV tool, which guarantee optimal coverage and the best possible user experience. Field information gathering and feedback with the help of Brightcoms. End-to-end process orchestration and assets lifecycle management, enabled by Everest. Network inventory and workflow manager. And automation, unleashed by Blue Prism, RPA, digitalizing workforce. All of it over Azure's cloud and services. This is how we take up the challenge to make the telecommunications industry better, thus guaranteeing savings on investments, installation time optimization, real-time verification, risk mitigation, reprocessing costs elimination, greater coverage, and service experience guaranteed to the end user. Catalyst, time-crunching 5G RAN rollout with AI.